Estamos sim?
Nagetha ka.
Tukungana. Antes sim, mas antes Hello?
Nimepitia pale hospitali nikakuta wako on strike, kwa hivyo sikuongea sana. Akina mama wameniambia kwamba hakuna madawa. Wananiambia siku zako Mutua tulikuwa tunapata dawa, sasa tunaambiwa tuende tukanue madawa huko nje.
We used to come enjoy a weekend and go back like we feel like we have nourished ourselves and then we are ready for studies. But nowadays we do come like we have come today, but we came with agony because what our expectation could not be met, but by what we can see right.
I think that what the CS is saying is very true, kwa sababu huu uwanja ulikuwa mzuri sana. People used to enjoy, they used to come from all over, and it used to be green, evergreen and well maintained. The grass was always lawn mown, but today it's a shell of what used to be.
Ninamuomba Wavinya Ndeti kama imeshindwa unajua I don't want to come and anipatia tu ruhusa ya 1 week. I'll come here with my resources. We make this park to what it was, because government money was used to build this for the people. We can't let it run down. The story of Africa. Watu wanajenga alafu inasambaratika. Even maintaining, you don't have to build something new, but at least maintain what you find.